Okay, I've just bought my new bike helmet. So I ride a Tenere 690, it's a 2012 model, Yamaha, and it's a crossover bike, so it's an adventure bike, and I needed a new helmet. So I've gone out and bought one. This is a Explorer MX701 off-road, and it is a carbon fibre, and it's very light. It comes in this beautiful bag. The colours are really cool, and it's got another bag inside. So it's the LS2 helmets, and I'll just open it up and have a look, and I'll try it on again. So I'll just pop this open. So it keeps it nice and clean and tidy. It's got your louvers, your front lens. It's very light. And we've got the lens open, pop down that little button at the front, and the lens can pop up. And it's also got your aviation style pop down reflective lens. So I believe it's got some protective film here that needs to be removed. So we'll pop that off. This keeps the fingerprints off. Pop that back away. Pop this one down. We'll take all the advertising off here. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. So pops it down. Just leave that there for a second. I'll just try it on.
And if you were to have an accident, what's the safety bit inside?
Okay, so if you suspect you've hurt your neck and they want to remove your helmet, so they're not yanking on your helmet to pull your head out, you have these little tabs here marked pull on each side. If you pull on those, it pulls the padding out from around your head without putting too much pressure on your head. And then once the padding's been removed, they can remove the helmet safely without putting any pressure on your neck, which might be damaged. Yeah, looks pretty flash. Seems to go with the colours of my bike and my bike gear. Cut my gear in a bit better. There we go. Knife and stud, ready for a bike ride. So just to show you quickly, that's with the lens down, lens up, then you got your outer lens clipped in place.
And are you going to wear the lens all the time?
Oh, that's just for not
When are you
for
going
day
to use
riding.
that?
At night time, you pop that up. So you just got a clear lens for night.
Okay. And what's the top bit for?
It's just to keep the sun off and keep branches and leaves from bashed into your helmet while you're riding in the bush.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And it's just a protective visor for your sun mostly. Just to pull that off too before I ride, so I'll just pull that out. It's got little air vents, so air vent opened, air vent closed, air vent opened, air vent closed.
And what would you use that for? Do you just open them?
Oh, on a hot day, yeah, you open them and let a lot of air through. Then on a cold morning, you might shut them off to keep your head warm.
And how different does it feel to your other helmet?
Oh, the big difference will be the wind. When this is blowing in your face on highway riding, it's quite noisy. So this particular helmet's a bit lighter as well, but the big difference will be for riding on the highway at 110. Keep the wind out of my face.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
that's good. It is very nice. Brand new. Shiny.
So the next video will be after you come back after your ride. Tell us how it is, how it feels, how good was it?
Sure will. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.